Chevrolet Volt review. Test drivers like the 2015 Chevrolet Volt's potent electric powertrain, but are displeased with its small cargo hold and tight back seats. Powering the 2015 Volt are two electric motors and a four-cylinder engine that act as a generator when the battery is drained. Test drivers praised the Volt's electric motors, noting that they offer quick acceleration both from a stop and on the highway. They appreciate how quietly the Volt runs in F mode and how smoothly it transitions between gas and electric power. According to the EPA, the 2015 Chevy Volt has a 38-mile electrically range, which is excellent for a plug-in hybrid, and achieves 98 mpg equivalent when running solely on electric power. Once the gas engine kicks in, the Volt gets 3,540 miles per gallon city highway, which is low for a plug-in hybrid. Test drivers note that the Volt has surprisingly agile handling for a hybrid, with good cornering grip and well-weighted steering. They say the regenerative brakes are strong, but some note that they feel a bit grabby until you get used to them. Ready to buy? Get the best local price on a 2015 Chevrolet Volt. Reviewers say the Chevrolet Volt is contemporary cabin styling and is made with top-notch materials. However, some say the Volt's trunk is too small and its back seats are cramped. Moreover, automotive journalists find the Volt's touch-sensitive audio and climate buttons are poorly distributed, too small and easy to accidentally press. Standard features in the 2015 Chevrolet Volt include a new 4G Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as automatic climate control, push-button start, remote start, Bluetooth, a 6-speaker audio system, satellite radio, a USB port and Chevrolet's voice-activated MyLink infotainment system, which includes a 7-inch touchscreen and smartphone integration. Available features include leather upholstery, heated front seats, navigation, a rear-view camera, front and rear parking sensors, a 7-speaker Bose audio system, lane departure warning and forward collision alert. Chevrolet Volt performance. Most auto writers say the 2015 Chevrolet Volt delivers a very enjoyable driving experience, thanks to its nimble handling and an extremely responsive electric powertrain. They add that the Volt runs quietly in electric mode and transitions seamlessly between gas and electric power. Acceleration and power. The 2015 Chevrolet Volt is powered by two electric motors that produce 149 horsepower combined. The Volt also has a 1.4-litre four-cylinder engine that acts as a generator for the electric motors when the batteries are depleted. According to the EPA, the 2015 Volt has an electrically driving range of 38 miles, which is farther than most plug-in hybrid cars can go on electricity. The Volt achieves 98 mpg equivalent, which is higher than the ratings of competitors like the Ford Max-Energy. When running on gasoline, the Volt gets 3,540 miles per gallon city highway, which is lower than what most plug-in hybrids get. Automotive journalists report that the 2015 Volt feels extraordinarily potent when pulling away from a stop, and it earns praise for its strong highway passing power. Alternative fuels charging. Chevrolet says it takes 10 to 16 hours to charge the 2015 Volt using a standard 120-volt household outlet. With the available 240-volt home charging station, charging time is about 4 hours. The Volt's charging progress can be monitored with a smartphone app. Chevrolet Volt interior. Most automotive journalists think the 2015 Chevrolet Volt's interior is